Welcome to the First Use Gas Range. This is a quick start guide for your gas range.
Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information.
First, locate your model and serial number on the range. This is how you'll pull up information on your specific unit. Gas ranges use an open flame to cook food both inside the oven and on the cooktop. Gas ranges are fueled by natural gas or propane and require a gas line installation if you don't already have one installed. Gas cooktops on household ranges generally have between 2 and 6 burners. Gas burner heat output is measured in BTUs. The higher the number, the more heat is generated. With gas burners, you'll get responsive control over heat levels at both low and high temperatures. Gas stovetops, depending on the design and number of burners, will have a variety of lower and higher heat burners to handle most cooking tasks. Using your oven. First, select oven function. Set the temperature. Press start. Place food inside the oven once set temperature is reached. Close the oven door. Preheating your oven is a crucial part of achieving a great cooked meal. Food needs the continuous heat to cook evenly and thoroughly. Gas ovens tend to preheat faster than conventional electric ovens. Adjusting oven racks. Depending what kind of oven you're using and what you're cooking, you'll want your oven rack placements to be useful for what you're trying to make. When using a convection oven, you'll want to use the lower rack for baking and roasting. The top rack should be used for broiling. Before cleaning, make sure the oven cavity and cooktop are cool. To clean your oven, use a rag or dishcloth and clean your oven by wiping the interior and exterior of the appliance down using common household materials like baking soda, vinegar, and lemon juice. To wash the racks, simply soak in soapy water before giving them a good scrub with a stiff bristled cleaning brush. Use soft cloth towels to completely dry the racks and avoid rust or corrosion. Before cleaning, make sure all cooktop knobs are off and the oven and cooktop are cool. Do not use oven cleaners, bleach, or rust removers. Soap, water, and soft cloth or sponge are suggested first. A fresh cooktop cleaner or a fresh cooktop cleaning wipes can also be used. To clean the porcelain-coated grates and caps, clean with a non-abrasive nylon scrub pad and mildly abrasive cleaner. To clean the clogged burner ports, use a straight pin. Do not enlarge or distort the port. Do not use a wooden toothpick. Be aware of, a small amount of smoke or odor can be normal, especially the first time a new range or oven is used. This is caused by the heating of new parts, insulating materials, and a protective coating of oil that is used in the manufacturing process and should dissipate after the first few uses. No foil in the bottom of the oven. Using high heat with aluminum foil in the oven bottom could cause the foil to melt. Check burner flames occasionally for proper size and shape. A good flame is blue in color, not yellow. And be sure to clean bottoms on pots and pans. Thank you for watching this video. For any questions or service issues, please visit the brand website for service and support.